Alright, so if you are watching this video, I am going to teach you how to solve the Rubik's Cube in 8 steps. This is the first step in the solution. I'm going to also just introduce a few basic things about the Rubik's Cube, and then I will show you step 1. So first thing about the Rubik's Cube is there are 6 sides. There are color opposites, so you have your white side is opposite of the yellow. Red is opposite of orange, green is opposite of blue. Okay, those are going to be important later on, so if you can, try to memorize that white is opposite of yellow, blue is opposite of green, and red is opposite of orange. So your first step, what you are going to try to do is, I'm going to go ahead and give this a mix real quick. Your first step, you are going to try to find the face with the yellow center piece. So the yellow center piece is right here. I am going to try to get 4 white pieces around it. I'm going to try to get these 4 pieces to be white. So what I will do is I see these 2 side pieces need to be on the bottom face with the yellow center. So I'm going to slide this over, move it down. I now have 2 white pieces correct. This piece I know can go here. Well, actually this piece is probably closer, so I see that this is just 1 move away. I'm going to slide that in, and now I see that this piece still needs to be white, and I can find it over here. So sometimes it helps to move the piece a little bit on the opposite face. Now I realize this piece needs to go here. So sometimes it helps to move backwards a little bit. If I go from here, if I get the piece here, I can slide it in very nicely. So I'll turn this face once. Now it's 1 move away from where it needs to be. Slide it back in, and then this piece needs to come back. So I call this step getting the yellow daisy. You have a yellow center with these 4 pieces being white. It is okay to have an extra white piece in here, that does not matter, but you need to have a yellow center with these 4 being white. This step is really just kind of intuitive. There isn't a whole lot of algorithms to get it. You just have to tinker around with the cube enough to learn how to solve it, this step. All right, that's it for step 1.